All right, just got done cleaning this. It's not polished up yet. Maybe I'll get to that. But while I was power washing, dun dun dun. Found a friggin' nail in there. Not what I want to find, but I'm gonna take the opportunity to try out my plug kit that I bought. See how well it goes, in case I ever have to do it on the trail. I can do it. So I bought one of these at Walmart a while ago. It's just a slime kit. And I also have my Harbor Freight air compressor. So we're gonna pull it out, do a plug, see how it goes. A little practice for on the trail maybe. And then once I'm done with that, I'll take it to the tire shop and get a proper fix done on it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull that nail out. I don't know how much air is left in this tire here, but not a whole lot. It's a good sized nail, huh? And we'll go ahead and prepare the plug. Guess we're supposed to open this up. Oh yeah. We gotta take this and rasp the hole out. Let's do that. Easier said than done, huh? Let me set this camera down here. Oh yeah. There we go. That's the way it went in. It kind of went in on an angle. Keep that there. Prepare our plug here. Looks like they're the same size. It's sticky. I say thread this through like a needle. We'll see about that. We take some adhesive. We're supposed to coat that. Oh yeah, good stuff. Ooh, smells good. It's kind of like freaking gorilla snot here. All right. Bring this back down here. You're supposed to shove this in there 2/3 of the way and then pull it out. Well, it's in. I don't hear any air escaping, so I'm going to give that a few minutes before I air it up. Then I'll probably trim off those sides there, or the ends, and call it good. Maybe leave it for a few days, air it up, see how it does, And then I'll probably take it over to the tire shop and have them do a actual fix on it, how they're supposed to. But so far, you know, that was pretty easy. All right, it's been like 30 minutes since I did this plug. Got it right there. Got my old trusty Harbor Freight 12 volt air compressor plugged in. And let's air it up. Right now we're showing basically 0 pounds of pressure. Let her rip. Tater chip. About where we need to be, getting close. I want to get her up to 10. Alright, we're right there about 10 psi. Took literally like 1 minute. So not too shabby. Maybe I should have put a little more in. Now I usually run my bighorns at 8 in the front, 10 in the back for basically all conditions everywhere. And I got 2,200 miles on these bighorns, and there's some pretty good tread left on them. I'll show you the front tires. I'm getting a little bit of funky tread wear on these. See that? It's kind of angled off in the front there. Probably ought to do a tire rotation. I've never done it. Flip them around on the other side. But, you know, 2,200 miles. I've gotten quite a bit of life out of them. Waiting for them to die, wear out, so I can get some new ones. But we do mostly desert riding, like hard rock, shale, that kind of stuff. I got quite a few like rips, not rips, I don't know what you call them, cuts almost. Nothing's ever caused a leak or anything, but I don't know. That's pretty good. But plug works. We're aired up, ready to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I feel a little more confident out on the trail if I have a flat tire. It feels pretty easy to fix. I keep all this stuff with me all the time. I always have my compressor, I always have my patch plug kit. I try to be prepared when I go out, just so I don't inconvenience myself too much or other people, because that's no fun. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you see any other or have any other ideas of videos we can do, let us know. We're always looking for new ideas. If you like what you see, subscribe. Hit that little bell for notifications so when we have new videos come out, you get notified. And have a good day. See you later.